Most people think London is all about Big Ben and the Buckingham Palace. But let me show you a completely different side of the city. Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Canary Wharf. London's modern skyline right by the water. Skyscrapers, riverside walk, hidden garden, and some of the best food spots in East London. Let's explore. Canary Wharf feels more like New York than the traditional London. You have got all glass buildings, wide open squares, and calm waters everywhere. This is Canada Square, home to one of the tallest buildings in the UK. And just a few steps away, peaceful docks, public art, and quiet spots perfect for photos. It's busy, but somehow still relaxing. One thing Canary Wharf does really well: food. From quick street food to luxury restaurants, there's something for everyone. You will find sushi, burgers, Italian, Asian cuisine, even waterside cafes, perfect for brunch. It's a great place to stop, eat, and watch the city move around you. You wouldn't expect this much greenery in a business district. Canary Wharf has rooftop gardens, riverside paths, and quiet corners where we can slow down. It's perfect for a peaceful walk, especially in the evening when the lights reflect on the water. A calm escape in the middle of the city. Canary Wharf wasn't always about office and finance. It used to be a part of London's dock, where ships arrived from all over the world, including the Canary Islands. Today, it's one of the most modern areas in London, but its dockland history is still part of the charm. If you want to see a modern London, enjoy great food, and take amazing photos, save the spots for your next London trip. That's all my today's journey. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.